going to do a visual condition report, so we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find, and really just assess the overall condition of the vehicle, and we're going to go panel by panel. Now this car does have PPF, full fender, full hood, full front bumper, as well as the side mirrors, door edges, and that lower rocker. Looking at the wheel, see they got the color matched lip. Looks really, really good. Date code on the tire, 2022. Looking at that fender. That looks amazing. A-pillar's nice and clean. All of that looks good. Like I said, film on the side mirrors. Looks good. Door edge, full PPF. Lower side looks good. And this is all super clean. Nice and satin. That looks good. The edge looks good. Back bumper's clean. No film on the headlights, so you are going to have some typical rock impacts, little light ones here and there. Very, very subtle. Scanning that edge. Nice and clean so far. Upper side of the hood looks good. I don't see any flaws there. Getting down low. That light's clean. You have some really light flaws right there. You have a little bit of rash there. It's very subtle though. And then on the film, you're going to see some spots right here where it's lifting and a little bit of dirt in there. But as far as that front bumper goes, very, very clean. Looking at that headlight, small rock impacts here and there. Fender looks good. That wheel's in great condition. Date code on the tires, once again, 2022. Little rocker. Side mirrors clean. A-pillar. That looks good. Right here on that door edge, you do have a chip. The rest of that looks good. Quarter panel's clean. And here on this wheel, you do have a large chip. You can see it's kind of a chrome brushed lip underneath. And then you have a large chip right there as well. The rest of that looks good. Nice and clean, tail lights look good. Scanning that back bumper. Looks really, really nice. All right, checking out the interior. Looking at that door panel. Upper section looks amazing. You got the memory seating. All the Alcantara here looks awesome. I do see a tiny spot there. Buttons are nice and clean. Bose audio. All that lower section looks really good. That trim looks amazing. Typical wear from getting in and out. You're going to see the wrinkles. Still nice and firm, super soft. And then right here, there are a couple scuffs on the edge. The rest of that seat looks good. A couple tiny spots there. Looking at the steering wheel, you still have that matte finish to it. A couple tiny fingernail scratches right there. Other than that, the wheel looks amazing. Digital dash, that looks good. That screen is clean. There's really not much to pick apart in here. Looks and smells new. Super, super clean. Here on the back seats, just kind of scanning through those, they look absolutely perfect. Now here on that center console, you can see some very light scuffs. They're very, very subtle though. Seat back, that looks amazing. Here on this door panel, scanning that upper section, that looks good. Handle's nice and clean. Those buttons look good. You have all the Alcantara here. Really, really nice. Lower section on that panel looks good. Here on this trim, I love the dark kind of midnight brushed look. Very, very clean. I don't see any scuffs or scratches there. Floor mat looks perfect. Here on that bolster, once again, looks amazing. I see a couple tiny spots on that Alcantara. I wouldn't say they're stains, but they are some spots of something. That bolster looks good. Alcantara looks awesome. A couple light scratches there on the plastic. That looks good. Glove box is nice. That trim looks good. And upper side of the dash, I don't see any flaws. And looking in the front, all that carpet looks brand new and it smells brand new in here still. All that plastic is clean. Underside of the hood looks amazing. I don't see really any flaws here. Looks brand new. All right, checking out the top here. All of that looks amazing. I don't see any scuffs or scratches. All that satin looks good. This part of the top, all of this is absolutely perfect. Okay, we're going for a quick drive. We have 9,000 miles on the dot. Now, if you see any flickering here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. This car shifts absolutely perfect. Steering goes perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. We're gonna hit on the brakes kind of hard here. Brakes are solid, no issues. You can see the wheel does not shake or shimmy. Sounds amazing, shifts super smooth, alignment is absolutely perfect, no complaints with the drivability. You can see the downshifts are buttery smooth, really nice driving car.